Hey everyone, welcome back to Sudama English YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll talk about Ubuntu 25.04. Ubuntu 25.04 a leap forward with Plucky Puffin, anticipated to launch in April 2025. This version aims to enhance performance, security, and usability, building upon Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. Ubuntu 25.04, codenamed Plucky Puffin, is expected to feature GNOME 48 desktop environment, an improved dual boot experience, an enhanced installer with better handling of Windows BitLocker encryption, and Linux kernel 6.14. Ubuntu 25.04 will based on GNOME 48, offering refined UI responsiveness, workflow improvements, and a more cohesive design language.
Create your own website with ease using Hostinger AI Website Builder.
The installer will be improved, particularly for dual boot setups with better support for disk encryption and smoother handling of Windows BitLocker encrypted disks. A new digital well-being feature is planned for managing screen times. The installer will display detailed information about existing operating systems and offer a better support for disk encryptions, including better interaction with existing BitLocker-enabled Windows installations. Work on Ubuntu Core Desktop, the immutable counterpart, continues with a migration from a monolithic desktop shell snap to a more modular architecture for greater flexibility and customization. Ubuntu 25.04 introduces O3 compiler optimizations by default, replacing O2 to boost execution speed across applications. Default version of Python, Go, Rust, and LLVM are expected to be updated. Dracut will be used an alternative tool, CryptoConfig, which allows selecting a system-wide configuration profile for cryptography, will be in the archive and can be installed without additional setup. The .NET Snap will get an improved CLI, and improvements will be delivered to Snapcraft plugins for Cradle, Rust, and .NET. Daypack Snap will be published, allowing Spring and Spring Boot developers to easily set up their environment and build their applications with Maven or Gradle. Multipass will have a clone instances feature, an updated GUI client, a new installer on Windows, and many other fixes and enhancements. Ubuntu 25.04 will run on Linux kernel 6.14, which brings improved hardware support and performance enhancements. COM AP will be updated to version 1.4.2 with features like LHA, LHZ archive support, and ability to disable image fuzzy hashing. The GNOME web browser will be able to play more web videos by default. Efforts on cloud authentication will continue with the fixes and improvements to the cloud authentication service. The new Tor-based WSL distribution format will be available. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe for more tech updates. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.